allow me to put some kind of telemetry of the bike up. It's a paid software, so it will probably have a watermark. I'm just testing it, seeing it if it adds anything to the channel or not. I don't have any plans to add it in the future, because I don't make any money on this channel at the moment, and so it would be another expense that I don't think justifies just to have a heads up of speed and acceleration and stuff like that. But if you guys find it interesting, let me know, and I'll try to do it a little bit more. I'm very interested if it captures lean angles and stuff like that. This bike, I have no idea how far I lean it. I actually have like one finger width of chicken strips still, but I think it's a little bit scuffed, so it's a work in progress. So let me know if you like the little heads up, and if it's interesting enough to include it in other videos or not. Thank you, please leave a comment, and see ya.